Next on the list is to follow through. Now, if you're working full time, it's most likely that you might have initially overscheduled yourself for wedding planning. What that means is that you probably haven't had a chance to understand or get a feel of how it is and how you are going to react as you speak to wedding vendors. So say for example, you scheduled 4 consultations over the weekend. So Saturday, say for example, you have 4 consultations. If on that first Saturday you felt so overwhelmed and so stressed and there was so much to take in, next Saturday, if you want to book consultations again, cut it down. Follow through how you feel. So if you feel overwhelmed, make sure that next week, don't overbook yourself. Don't do 4 consultations or 4 meetings. Just do it slowly and surely and be comfortable with the situation that you're in. What happens as well with wedding planning is that it reveals to us sometimes how much we can handle pressure and what triggers us. And understanding that moment is important as we move through scheduling your wedding planning. And organizing and scheduling your wedding tasks depends on how you handle pressure. And sometimes that doesn't show up until you meet a few vendors. So if you meet like 2-3 vendors, you probably feel so irritated with some of them, and some of them are probably really amazing. But you won't know that until that moment happens and as you go through it. And following through not just your organized schedule, but also following through what you feel is most comfortable for you. So if you feel like, okay, today I really feel overwhelmed, I don't think speaking to 3 people in one day will help me, don't do that. Next time, do maybe just 1 or 2 and see how you feel. And from there, if you've gotten comfortable, maybe you can do 2 or 3 now. If you found a way to speak to them, if you found a way to organize your thoughts better so that you can express it and share it with the vendors that you're meeting with, then you can increase it to 2 or 3. But follow through not just your schedule, but listen to your body if you feel like you're stressed and you're overwhelmed, and do what your body is telling you and schedule according to that. And as you schedule and you feel like there are things that are a little bit too much for you, you can also consider delegation.